بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Lesson number 1. Single letters in sequence.
ألف با تا ثا جيم حا خا دال ذال را زا سين شين صاد ضاد طا ظا عين غين فا قاف كاف لام ميم نون واو ها همزة يا
Bold letters are
خا صاد ضاد ظا غين قاف.
Letters with a whistle sound are
زا سين صاد.
Similar sounding letters are
تا طا حا ها ثا سين صاد ذال زا ضاد ضاء عين همزة قاف كاف.
Note for teachers. Students should be able to identify the letters and know the difference between them. Students should also practice thoroughly to ensure proper pronunciation.
Thank you very much for watching our video. Now please subscribe the channel and spread Islamic message throughout the world. Thank you very much.